Do you wake up feeling very tired? Do you look at your phone immediately? Do you work all day and feel sad? This is a big problem. Many people do not have balance. They only work, they do not rest. This is dangerous for your health. But today I promise you a change. You can fix this. You can be happy and calm. Today, we will learn how to find balance in your life. This is very important for your heart and your mind. Before we start, please click the subscribe button for English Listening Lab. Join our community to learn English every day. Let us begin. First, we must ask a question. What is balance? Imagine a scale. On one side, you have work. On the other side, you have life. Life includes your family, your hobbies, and your rest. If work is too heavy, the scale is bad. If you only play and never work, the scale is also bad. Balance means the two sides are equal. You work, but you also play. You are busy, but you also rest. It is not easy to find this balance, but it is necessary. When you have balance, you feel lighter. You smile more. You have energy for the things you love. Let us try to find this middle place together. Many people think work is the most important thing. They go to the office early. They stay at the office late. They bring their computer home. They check emails at dinner. This is not good. Work is important because we need money. We need money for food and a house. But work is not everything. You are a human being, not a robot. A robot can work all day. You cannot. If you work too much, you will get sick. Your body will hurt. Your head will hurt. You must set limits. You must say stop. When you leave work, please leave your work there. Do not bring the stress to your home. Let us talk about your phone. The phone is a useful tool. It helps us talk to friends. It helps us find information. But the phone is also a problem. It takes our time. We look at social media for hours. We see other people with perfect lives. This makes us feel bad. We forget to look at the real world. To find balance, you must put the phone down. Try this today. Put your phone in another room for 1 hour. Just 1 hour. Look out the window. Talk to your family. Read a book. You will feel very free. Your mind will be quiet. This quiet time is good for balance. Sleep is another big part of balance. Do you sleep for 8 hours every night? Many people sleep only 5 or 6 hours. They think this is okay. It is not okay. Your body needs sleep to repair itself. Your brain needs sleep to remember things. If you are learning English, you need sleep to remember new words. If you are tired, you make mistakes. You get angry easily. To find balance, make sleep a priority. Go to bed at the same time every night. Make your room dark and cool. Do not watch TV in bed. Sleep is the foundation of a balanced life. Please sleep well tonight. Food is also very important for balance. What do you eat? Do you eat fast food every day? Do you drink a lot of coffee? Sugar and caffeine give you energy for a short time. Then you crash. You feel tired again. This is not balance. To feel good, you need healthy food. Eat vegetables and fruits. Drink a lot of water. Water helps your brain work. When you eat well, your mood is stable. You don't feel angry or sad for no reason. Cooking can also be relaxing. Take time to cook a nice meal. Sit down to eat. Do not eat while you walk or work. Enjoy your food. We must also talk about saying the word no. This is a very small word, but it is very powerful. Many people say yes to everything. Can you help me? Yes. Can you do this extra work? Yes. Can you come to the party? Yes. You want to be nice. You want people to like you. But if you say yes to everyone, you have no time for yourself. You become empty. You must learn to say no. It is okay to say no. You can say, "I am sorry, I cannot do that today." This protects your time. This protects your energy. Saying no helps you keep your balance. Exercise is great for balance. You do not need to run a marathon. You do not need to go to a gym for 2 hours. You just need to move your body. When you move, your body makes happy chemicals. These chemicals are called endorphins. They make you feel good. You can walk in the park. You can dance in your living room. You can ride a bicycle. Try to move for 30 minutes every day. This helps your stress go away. When your body is tired from exercise, your mind is calm. This is a good kind of tired. It helps you sleep better too. Spending time with people you love is essential. Humans are social animals. We need friends and family, but when we are busy, we forget them. We say, "I will call my mother next week," but next week never comes. To find balance, make time for people. Eat dinner with your family. Call a friend on the telephone. Go for a walk with your partner. Talk about your feelings. Laugh together. Laughing is very good medicine. When you are with people who love you, you feel safe. You feel supported. This gives you strength to handle the hard parts of life. Do not be alone all the time. Hobbies are things you do for fun. They are not for money. They are not for work. They are just for joy. Do you have a hobby? Maybe you like to paint pictures. Maybe you like to play the guitar. Maybe you like to garden. Hobbies give your brain a break. When you focus on a hobby, you forget your worries. You are in the moment. This is very restful. If you do not have a hobby, try to find one. Try something new. It doesn't matter if you are good at it. It only matters that you enjoy it. Make time for play in your week. Nature is a powerful healer. We spend too much time inside buildings. We are under electric lights all day. This is not natural. To find balance, go outside. Feel the sun on your face. Feel the wind in your hair. Look at the trees and the flowers. Listen to the birds. Nature moves slowly. It does not rush. When you are in nature, you slow down too. You breathe deeper. Your heart beats slower. Try to go to a park or a forest on the weekend. Even a small walk outside is helpful. Nature reminds us that we are part of a big, beautiful world. Your morning routine sets the tone for the day. How do you start your day? Do you rush? Do you feel stressed immediately? This is a bad start. Try to have a calm morning. Wake up a little earlier. Drink a glass of water. Stretch your body. Maybe read a few pages of a book. Do not check your email first. Give yourself 20 minutes of peace. When you start the day calmly, you can handle problems better. You are ready for the world. You have balance before you leave your house. Try to change your morning routine tomorrow. Your evening routine is also important. How do you end your day? Do you work until the last minute? Do you watch scary movies? This makes it hard to sleep. You need to prepare for rest. Create a routine to relax. Put on comfortable clothes. Maybe drink some warm tea. Listen to soft music. Reflect on your day. Think about 3 good things that happened. This makes you feel grateful. Gratitude is good for balance. It helps you see the positive side of life. End your day with peace, not stress. This helps you wake up happy the next day. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Sometimes we feel sad or anxious. This is normal. But if you feel bad for a long time, you need to do something. Talk to someone. Write your feelings in a journal. Writing helps you understand your thoughts. Be kind to yourself. Do not criticize yourself. You are doing your best. Balance means accepting your feelings. It is okay to have a bad day. Tomorrow is a new day. Take care of your mind. Feed it with good things. Read good books. Listen to positive podcasts like this one. Planning is a tool for balance. If you do not plan, life just happens to you. You feel out of control. Take 5 minutes to plan your day. Write down what you need to do, but be realistic. Do not write 20 things. Write 3 important things. Also, write down your rest time. Schedule your break. If it is on your paper, you will do it. Planning helps you see your time clearly. You can see where you waste time. You can see where you can relax. A simple plan gives you freedom. It gives you structure. Finally, remember to start small. You cannot change your whole life in one day. If you try to change everything, you will fail. You will give up. Pick one thing from this podcast. Maybe you will drink more water. Maybe you will put your phone away. Maybe you will walk for 10 minutes. Do this one thing for a week. Then add another thing. Change happens slowly. Be patient with yourself. Finding balance is a journey. It takes time. But every small step helps. You are building a better life. You are building a happy life. Keep going. Thank you for listening to this long episode about balance. I hope you feel more calm now. I hope you have good ideas for your life. Remember, you are important. Your rest is important. In the next episode, we will talk about how to make friends in a new country. It will be very exciting. You do not want to miss it. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with a friend who works too much. Follow us on social media for more English tips. See you next time.